Electric cars are taking over the roads, but there's something about them that often leaves people scratching their heads. If you've ever driven a traditional gasoline or diesel car, you're used to multiple gears, shifting up and down, hearing the revs rise and fall. But when you step into an electric vehicle, something is missing. There's no gear shifting at all. Just one gear. Smooth acceleration from 0 to highway speeds. No clutch, no complex gearbox, just silence and speed. So, why do electric cars only use a single gear? And what's the difference between a single motor setup, a dual motor setup, and even tri- or quad motor configurations? Today, we're going to break it down, demystify the technology, and uncover why EVs are built so differently from the cars we've known for over a century. Let's start with the basics. In a gasoline-powered car, the engine produces usable power only in a certain RPM range. That's why you need multiple gears to keep the engine working efficiently, whether you're crawling in traffic or cruising at 120 km per hour. Without gears, a combustion engine simply wouldn't work. But electric motors? They play by different rules. An electric motor can deliver its maximum torque instantly, even from a standstill. That means the moment you press the accelerator, all the pulling power is right there, ready to launch you forward. No need to build revs, no need to downshift, and no need for a traditional transmission. Just direct, instantaneous power. That's the magic of the single gear. Most electric cars use what's called a fixed reduction gear. Think of it like a permanently engaged gear ratio that connects the motor to the wheels. It takes the high-speed spinning of the motor, often up to 20,000 RPM or more, and reduces it to a usable wheel speed. That's it. One gear, one simple connection, no shifting required. Now, let's talk about motors. Not all EVs are created equal, and the number of motors makes a big difference in how they perform. A single-motor EV is the simplest setup. It usually drives either the front wheels or the rear wheels, depending on the design. Single-motor cars are efficient, lighter, and cheaper to build. They are perfect for daily driving, commuting, and people who don't need blistering acceleration or all-wheel drive traction. Examples include entry-level versions of the Tesla Model 3 or the Nissan Leaf. Step up to a dual-motor setup, and things get more interesting. With one motor in the front and one in the back, you get all-wheel drive, more power, and better grip on slippery roads. Dual-motor EVs are not only quicker off the line, but they also handle more confidently because power can be distributed between the front and rear axles. Tesla's dual-motor badge, for example, means faster acceleration and better control in all conditions. Then, there's the tri-motor setup. This is where things start to get extreme. With 3 motors, usually 2 in the back and 1 in the front, performance goes into supercar territory. Take the Tesla Model S Plaid, for example. Its tri-motor configuration delivers over 1,000 horsepower, insane acceleration, and torque vectoring that lets it corner like nothing else on the road. Tri-motor systems aren't about efficiency anymore, they're about maximum performance. And finally, the ultimate, quad-motor setups. 4 independent motors, 1 at each wheel. This design unlocks a level of control that's almost science fiction. Imagine being able to send different amounts of power to each wheel independently. That means unrivaled traction, jaw-dropping acceleration, and the ability to do things like a tank turn, spinning in place by driving wheels in opposite directions. Vehicles like the Rivian R1T pickup and upcoming high-performance EVs showcase the possibilities of quad-motor systems. So, to sum it up, electric cars don't need multiple gears because their motors deliver instant torque across a wide range of speeds. The single fixed gear keeps things simple, efficient, and reliable. But the number of motors? That's where manufacturers differentiate between efficiency, performance, and ultimate capability. 1 motor for simplicity, 2 for balance and grip, 3 for supercar madness, and 4 for futuristic control. And here's the kicker. While today most EVs stick to single-gear setups, we're already seeing experiments with multi-speed transmissions in electric cars. Porsche, for example, put a 2-speed gearbox in the Taycan to maximize both acceleration and high-speed efficiency. It's rare, it's complex, but it shows that innovation is still happening. The truth is, EV technology is still young. As battery power increases and motor designs evolve, we'll continue to see new approaches. But for now, the single-gear transmission remains the secret weapon that makes electric cars so smooth, so simple, and so shockingly quick. So next time you sit in an EV and feel that instant surge of power, remember you're experiencing one of the biggest reasons why electric cars are changing the game forever. What do you think? Do you prefer the simplicity of a single-motor EV, or the raw performance of tri- and quad-motor beasts? Let me know in the comments, and if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss more deep dives into the future of cars and technology. Because the world of EVs is just getting started and the best is yet to come. But let's go even deeper. Think about how much complexity a traditional combustion car carries just to keep the engine running efficiently. You've got multi-speed transmissions with gearboxes that may contain hundreds of moving parts, clutches, torque converters, shift solenoids, hydraulic fluid systems, and more. Every shift requires synchronization. Every moving part means friction, wear, and maintenance. Now compare that to an EV. At its core, you have an electric motor, a single reduction gear, and that's it. The simplicity is mind-blowing. Less heat, less wear, and almost no maintenance. This is one of the key reasons why EVs are not just cleaner to drive, but also cheaper to maintain in the long run. Imagine a future where gear oil changes, transmission failures, clutch replacements, all those headaches simply don't exist anymore. That's not a dream. That's the reality of EV ownership today. But let's not ignore the other side of the coin. While simplicity is great, some enthusiasts argue that single-gear EVs lack the mechanical connection and engagement that car lovers crave. Shifting gears gives you that physical sense of control, the drama of acceleration, the thrill of dropping a gear to overtake. With EVs, acceleration is so linear, so instant, that some drivers feel like something's missing. This is why companies like Porsche have experimented with two-speed gearboxes. The Taycan uses a low gear for blistering launches and a high gear for top speed efficiency. It's rare, it's more complex, but it's proof that not all EV makers believe one gear is the final answer. Who knows, maybe in the future we'll see performance EVs with multi-speed transmissions become more common, while mainstream models stick to single gear for simplicity. Now let's circle back to motors. With single-motor EVs, manufacturers aim for affordability and efficiency. They are lightweight, consume less energy, and are perfect for the average driver. Think of them as the equivalent of compact sedans or economy cars in the combustion world. They get you from A to B with no drama. Dual-motor EVs, on the other hand, are becoming the sweet spot. They balance performance and practicality, offering all-wheel drive stability, extra power, and faster acceleration. For most drivers, dual-motor setups hit that perfect balance. Not too expensive, not too extreme, just right. When we get to tri-motor and quad-motor EVs, we're talking about the bleeding edge of technology. These setups are not about daily commuting. They're about pushing the boundaries of what's possible. 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds. Unmatched handling thanks to torque vectoring. Off-road capabilities where each wheel responds independently to changing terrain. Think of quad-motor EVs like the Rivian R1T. It can literally climb rocks, power through mud, and even execute a tank turn, where the wheels on one side spin forward while the wheels on the other spin backward, rotating the truck in place. That's something no gasoline car could ever dream of doing. This is the power of electric precision. And here's another fascinating angle: motors as brakes. In EVs, the same motors that drive the wheels can also act as generators, slowing the car down while feeding energy back into the battery. It's called regenerative braking, and it's one more reason why EVs don't need the same kind of transmissions as gas cars. Instead of downshifting for engine braking, the electric motor seamlessly takes over. So where is this all going? The future of EV drivetrains is going to be defined by two things: efficiency and performance. For most consumers, efficiency will win, which means single or dual motor setups with single gear transmissions will dominate. They are cheaper, easier to maintain, and provide more than enough performance for daily driving. But at the same time, the high-performance market is exploding. As companies compete to build the fastest, most advanced EVs on the planet, we'll see more tri- and quad-motor designs, more torque vectoring systems, and maybe even advanced transmissions built specifically for electric cars. The best part? Unlike combustion engines that were bound by physics and combustion cycles, electric drivetrains have nearly unlimited potential for innovation. What's clear is this: the age of gears and clutches is fading, replaced by the silent power of single-gear transmissions and multimotor systems. EVs aren't just a new kind of car, they're a complete rethinking of how power moves from source to wheels. And as this technology evolves, we might just see features that today sound impossible become standard in tomorrow's cars. Imagine EVs that adjust motor output to each wheel in milliseconds, adapting instantly to rain, snow, or gravel. Imagine four-motor sports cars that can drift, pivot, and corner with absolute precision. Imagine transmissions that blend the thrill of shifting with the smoothness of electric drive. The possibilities are endless. So the next time someone asks, "Why do electric cars only have one gear?" you'll know the truth. It's not a limitation, it's a revolution. And that brings us full circle. The truth behind EV transmissions is simple yet revolutionary. Electric cars don't need multiple gears because their motors deliver instant torque across a wide speed range. A single fixed gear is all it takes to translate that power into smooth, effortless acceleration. No shifting, no lag, no wasted motion, just pure, direct performance. But the real magic lies in motor setups. A single motor offers simplicity and efficiency. Dual motors strike a perfect balance with more grip, more stability, and faster acceleration. Tri-motor systems push the boundaries of what a performance car can be, and quad-motor designs open the door to a future where every wheel acts independently, giving drivers levels of control and capability that were once science fiction. When you step back and look at the bigger picture, you realize something important. Electric vehicles are not just replacing gasoline cars, they're rewriting the very rules of automotive engineering. Gone are the clunky transmissions and endless gears. In their place, we have simplicity, precision, and innovation that opens up endless possibilities for the future of driving. Yes, EVs are different. Yes, they feel unusual at first if you're used to the rumble of engines and the dance of shifting gears. But once you experience that instant, seamless acceleration, the quiet confidence of electric power, and the incredible control of multimotor systems, you understand why this technology is here to stay. The age of gears and pistons is fading. The age of electric drive has begun. And the best part? We're only at the start of this journey. As technology evolves, as batteries improve, and as more manufacturers push the boundaries of performance and design, we'll see electric cars do things no gas-powered machine could ever dream of. So whether you're excited by the simplicity of a single-motor EV, the balance of a dual-motor setup, or the extreme capabilities of tri- and quad-motor systems, one thing is certain: the future of driving is electric. And that future is accelerating toward us faster than ever before. If you enjoyed this breakdown of EV transmissions and motor setups, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on more deep dives into the cars and technologies shaping our world. Drop a comment below: would you choose the simplicity of a single-motor EV, or the insane performance of a tri- or quad-motor beast? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep your eyes on the road, because the future is arriving faster than you think.